can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Danny Kid here, back with another video. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. And as you can see, in this video, we are going to open up my Temu package. So I ordered a couple things off of Temu. I think altogether, I ordered like 41 things, whole bunch of nail stuff. And we is going to unpack all of this stuff today. I also I bought some acrylics from them too. Some glitter acrylics and then some regular acrylics that we're gonna swatch as well. And whatever y'all, I'm gonna need them to pack stuff a better way. Cause just wrapping it up in this stuff and then just taking it together is just very much ghetto. But anyway, so let's see the first thing I can pull out, which is my mats. I have bought this, acrylic mat to help with my liquid to powder ratio. So yeah, I bought one of these. I'm definitely gonna use that for sure. I bought me another, you know how when you take pictures, let me zoom out a little bit. You know how you take pictures and you got one of them little for mat. It's a hard one. Hard one. So I got one of these. Yo, I honestly was just buying stuff. Just buying stuff. I also got a drill bit holder. Like, I seen these on other people's websites for like 20 bucks. Literally. I paid like probably no more than $5. It might have been $1 something, but I know I didn't pay no more than $5 for it. I bought me another one of these palettes. Cuticle pusher. My floor gonna have a whole bunch of trash on it. I bought these little nail clip things for when you taking off your acrylic or whatever, because I feel like these is so much easier than either just having your fingers in the acetone or putting aluminum foil over it with the cotton balls. Yeah, so I bought me some of these. I bought me some more nail wipes, and it came with a little alcohol bottle in here. Let me open this. Cause, they got this stuff. They got it taped up, honey. So I got a whole bunch of these. And then it came with this little push bottle. First of all, my desk is too small for this. And then I bought me some nail tips. I think these are these may be the double XL. I bought some that's C-curve and I bought some that's no C-curve. So, I don't know which ones these are. These might be These might be, I think these are the C-curve ones. Maybe. Yeah, the secret ones. So I bought these. I think these was like no more than $5 as well. I bought one of these little armrest things. I bought these buffers because I feel like I see a lot of people use these buffers, and I heard these are really good. They washable as well, so gonna use those eventually. Get this monomer out the way. Get me a nail clipper. I bought some more nail tips, and I think these the ones that's no C-curve nail tips. 600 in here. And I bought one of these UV rays, the gloves that, you know, protects your hands from the UV light or whatever. So I bought some white ones because they ain't had no black ones, so I just got the white one. Yeah, I had bought 2 of these little palettes because, you know, there ain't nothing wrong with getting extra. Bought me some nippers, some more nippers. Can never go wrong with nippers. Can always use a good pair of nippers. Let's see what else. Oh, I bought 2 pairs of these gloves. Just in case. Again, you can never have enough. Oh, y'all, I don't know what this is, but I'm about to open it. You can't see it, so I don't necessarily know what this is. Let's see. Oh, okay. I had bought me some scissors because I needed me some more nail scissors. These is pretty, y'all. Look at these. Scissors, that's cute. So, here's my thing. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I bought me 2 cuticle pushers because I didn't have not one. Like, all the ones that I had, it's just a mess. They need to go in the trash. So I bought 2 of these. Then I got these little rhinestones. I got these rhinestones in gold. I got these zodiac sign charms in gold and silver. And I think this, I got some reflecting glitter. Child, look at this, y'all. It's not even a lot in there. I don't know what the hell they want me to do with that, but it's really not a lot in here. If I took this, it's pretty though. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. If I knew it was gonna be kind of empty like that, I would have bought 2, but that's pretty as hell. I'm gonna have to use that. It's my birthday on Sunday, on Easter Sunday, and I'm doing me a nail set. So yeah, I might use that. I also got these in this color. I got some more teddy bears in different colors. I got these little flakes. I mean, like I said in my other video, I don't think these are called flakes, but I got these little butterflies. These little butterfly flakes. Then I got some more charms. So these is like glow in the dark or reflecting. But look. Look at that. I think these like glow in the dark or something. I might use these as well for my nail set. So if I'm not mistaken, this is like I can add this to my acrylic and it's like luminous or glow in the dark or something like that. But look at this, y'all. It's nothing in here. But I'm not mad because you get what you pay for. But this whole jar is empty. Look at that. Empty. And then I got these flowers, different colors, different sizes, with the caviar beads. Yo, I hear my puppy at the door. He probably like, what the hell is she in there doing? I got them in the colored ones. I got them in black and white. You know. Because you never know. Sometimes it just calls for just regular black and white. And then that was the darker colored ones. And here goes some light colored ones. They're cute. And then I bought some acrylics. And we're going to swatch these. So, I think this is a good one. Number 10. Number 7. Number 5. This one is a glitter, number 3. And for the most part, whatever color acrylic I got the glitter to go with it. I think this is, let's see. This might be 9. Child, y'all know 6 and 9 just, sometimes you don't be knowing. And 2 pink color. I really believe I'm missing some stuff. 5. But I did get 41 items, so when I'm done, I'm definitely going to count, because they got me messed up if you think I ain't going to make sure I got all my shit. Because of the way y'all packed it. Because I literally thought I had a blue acrylic. And maybe I didn't get one, but this is number 7. And then, I don't know. This might be another one of them luminous powders that glow in the dark. I'm gonna have to go back in my order and see what these are, because I don't remember. But that was it, y'all. So I bought 41 things, and I spent like $97. Shipping was free, so I'm not mad about that. So let's see, 1, 2. This came as 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, wait, y'all. Let me start over. the lowest scale already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So right now I'm only counting 38, meaning I'm missing 3 things. Maybe 2 things, because I don't think I counted the other pack of nails I had. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do a thorough check. But we about to get into these swatches, so I will be back. All right, I'm back, y'all. So we're about to do the swatches, and I'm using this monomer by Nana Banaya. I'm down to my last little bit, so I decided to use this on these swatches, and then I'm using this 12-inch Kolinsky brush from Amazon. That's in my Amazon storefront. My bad, I had just got a brand for it. But I'm about to do these swatches. So this is number 2. They do have protection seals. And y'all can see that. And let's see if it polymerizes. And it does. That was a real wet bead, y'all. And let me tell y'all, I think these powders were $1 something. Didn't have to take my brush. So it's not really getting stuck in my brush, but what I will say is I feel like it's very much sheer, see-through. Like you would definitely have to, if you want like full coverage, you definitely gonna have to put this on there a couple times, but it's not that bad. Not that demarcation line in the middle, but so far that's what it looks like. I did leave some in my brush, but honestly, I don't think it's the powder. I think it's the brush. Like this particular brush was okay. I actually think I got a lot. It's very thick, very, like, if you can see, to me it has too many hairs in it, but I'm still a beginner, what do I know? This one is child 9 or 6. Has the protection seal as well. Ooh, now look at me. See, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I got that out of there. Well, let me do this. I'm just not gonna dip on that side. What I will say is it's polymerizing on its own, no problems, no issues polymerizing. Let's get that clear. For $1 something, yeah. Whew. So I gotta open my window because this monomer definitely is strong. Very much strong. And don't get me wrong, because guess what? I bought these, so I'm definitely using them. This is more, I think this could be more like a jelly-like, or this could be one of these ones where you just kind of gotta build up the coverage. As they say when you're doing makeup, you gotta build coverage so it won't look so sheer. One thing I can say is definitely to dry your beads out with this, because my beads is definitely too wet. But not bad. $4 something. I always say you get what you pay for. This one is number 7. Protection seal. We ain't gonna spill that one. Whew. Yo, this monomer, whew, Lord. I didn't even realize how potent it was. So, I'm gonna dry my bead out some. Because see, now when I dry my bead out, dried it out a little bit too much. Dried it out a little bit too much. Well, like I said, as far as polymerizing, that is not a problem for this acrylic. But this is one of these acrylics where you're gonna have to learn how to work with it, because it's just, when I drain my bead out, it's dry. And then when I don't drain it out, it's wet. So these is just one of those acrylics that you're gonna have to learn how to work with, because every acrylic is different. I was trying to get that line in the middle going, but it don't seem like I'm gonna get it. Let's see. Drain this out just a tad bit. We're gonna take a little bit and put it here. still there a little bit, but whatever, y'all. Like I said, these acrylics was $1 something. I may use them, I may not. Listen, I may give them to somebody who want to start doing those, you know. I didn't pay that much for them, so ain't no big deal. And it can also be a blessing to somebody else. This is number 5. Excuse me. Polymerizes just fine, y'all. They don't need no tapping on the brush. They don't need none of that. What I can say though, I don't know if these are for beginners because they seem like they dry. It's a fast drying acrylic. But it could be me. I could be draining too much liquid out of my brush. And again, yo, $1.25. Like, they ain't that bad for $1.25. Again, you just gonna have to learn how to work with them. Just gonna have to learn how to work with them. So now we're gonna move to the glitter ones. This is glitter number 7. That's pretty. Some in my brush. I probably won't buy that monomer no more. The smell is just too overpowering for me. My wife in there talking to Kobe, talking about Paul, no biting, cause yo, that boy, look, y'all hear him barking? He's so ignorant. And he bad. So we got bring your kid to work day. So I was like, well, why we can't bring our pet? Because I don't have no kids. Cause I really don't. I don't have no kids. So at first it was like, oh, as much as we would love to bring pets, you know, you can't bring your little furry friend. So I was like, okay, that's fine. And then the next day, they was like, oh, the big boss said you can bring your dog as long as they're not interrupting the office. I was like, ooh, I could bring my little baby, but child, he might interrupt the office and then I'm gonna have to go home without pay. So I don't know if I want to do that. That glitter is super fire. This is number 10. Let me find out. I'm gonna like the glitters better than I like the actual acrylics. But I could see that happening, to be honest. Polymerize. Without no tapping. Ooh, look at that, y'all. I don't even know what I want to do with my nails this week. My birthday nails for my birthday. I don't know what I want to do. I was going to just do some all blinged out nails. But changed my mind. Like, I still got to do my non-dominant hand. So at this point, I'm not trying to do too much that's going to be difficult on my other hand, to be honest. Yeah, y'all, I think I like these glitters better than I like the actual acrylic. And maybe because, honestly, I feel like anybody can mix a glitter. Like, seriously. All you need is some clear acrylic and some glitter. Let's just be honest. It's not really too much to mix in some glitter. Now, you gotta have, you clear the glitter ratio down, but I don't feel like it takes a lot to make a glitter. That's just my opinion. This is number 5. Look at that. It's pretty. It's falling everywhere. See? And see, I feel like maybe this one might need more clear acrylic. So what I'm about to do is we're gonna stir this one up. See how it look now that I stirred it up. See? And that kind of made a difference. Stirring it up. Look at that. And y'all, this is literally in real time. I'm not even gonna do no voiceover. What you hear in this video is what you're getting. Look at that. That's pretty. I had to stir that up a little bit. And then we got number 3. Last but not least, number 3. We're going to stir this one up. We're not even going to play around. Like we did with that pink one. So it's a lot. So it's coming overflowing a little bit. But that's okay. We only paid $1 for it. Polymerize. And y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification button to get notified when I post more videos, because I do have more videos coming for you guys. I have a few on my phone that I'm editing, but it's my birthday week, so I really have been focused on what my wife is doing for me for my birthday. Make sure I got my outfit, my hair. I'm supposed to be going out to this lounge with my sister and on Saturday. And then my wife is taking me to Baltimore on Sunday. We supposed to go to the Sojo Spa. Yeah, she got a couple things planned for me. I really didn't want to do nothing, but she was like, no. It's your 40th birthday. Ain't no way in hell you just gonna be sitting around. Because if it was up to me, I would have been sitting around doing nothing. No lie, y'all. So what I will say is, and it could be, like I said, it could be this brush, because this brush has a lot of hairs in it. Like, way too many, if you ask me. So I feel like a lot of stuff be getting stuck in this brush. So next time, maybe I'll swatch again, you know, off camera with my other brush. Whew, this monomer is, y'all, this monomer is killing me. But here's this orange one. That's pretty. That's really, 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 really pretty. So, if I had to rate these acrylics, for now, because I feel like I have to learn how to work with these, because like I said, they were $1 something. Not sure what kind of formula is in there. Formula is, you know, in these. So I feel like I would have to figure out how to work with these. Maybe a different monomer, you know? Who knows? But these are the swatches. The glitters is bomb. No question. So if I had to rate the glitters, I'll rate the glitters a 8. If I had to rate the acrylic, I'll rate the acrylic like a 6. Once I figure out how to use it, I might give it a better score. But overall, everything I got in my Temu package was cool. Like, I have no complaints. It didn't take long. Besides the packaging, that's the only thing I didn't really like was the packaging. But, you know, it is what it is. It's coming from another country. You know, they ship it however. And shipping is free, so you can't really complain about that. That's the end of the video, y'all. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, if you haven't already to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post more videos, because again, I'm going to always say this and keep saying it. I will be posting more videos. I'm going to definitely be consistent on this channel this time around. So just watch out for those. See you on the next video.